I'm gonna help
Stop.
you clean it up.
No, you're not. Don't.
I need to make it.
Stop.
Are you ready?
Don't stop.
Make it
Pick all up right now. Pick it all up. Pick it all up. Pick it all up. Pick all up right now.
Dude,
Fuck you.
I made it rain.
I hate you.
Brandon,
Pick it all up.
you know what helps?
Shut the fuck
You know what
up.
helps in these situations?
Seriously? Don't even say it. Don't even say it. Don't say it.
Come on, help.
I fucking hate you. Shut the fuck up. Stop laughing.
There's just a little bit left.
God, damn.
God, they came out in like fives.
What are you talking about?
Like groups of 5.
You literally just threw them all over the floor and all over my bed. No, I'm sleeping right now.
You sleep. Oh, should I throw it back?
No. Yeah, I have no thoughts. That's what you want more than help. Oh my god.
Wait, do we get any of the ones we keep?
No.
We find? We get to keep them?
No.
Do we find them? Alright, I think that's all of them.
Oh, I swear to God. I'm not money.
Dude, that's like $1 on a rubber band.